This is Sandra Jack Shaw, blogging for TTNHD at my new position with fishnetnetworks.net. And I'm with one of my new fellow employees, Burton.
Burton.
I'm sorry, Burton.
Hi, everybody.
And what is it that you do in the company, Burton?
Well, I'm the head of marketing. I'm the marketing director at fishnetnetworks.net. I'm in charge of bringing this corporate kickoff to this center of fabulous here in Boston, and all the pretty colors and designs and graphics that people get to see at our little kickoff here.
Yes, now the kickoff, it's on Saturday night at 7:30.
Yes, that's right. Saturday night at 7:30.
Oh, well, it sounds wonderful. So are you responsible for some of the fun things that go on?
Oh, honey, you have no idea.
I'm looking forward to it.
We are gonna party like it's 1999 all over again.
Oh.
Except it's 2011, so I don't even know why I said that.
Am I gonna like it here?
Oh, you're gonna love it. This place is awesome. I really like your ensemble. It's very bright and colorful. I like the lavender.
I've had different, opinions.
Very springy,
about it,
summery. I enjoy it very much. It's very nice.
Thank you, Burton. I appreciate it. Well, I look forward to seeing more of you in the office.
Oh, well, I look forward to seeing you around. Thank you so much.
Thank you, and thank you for
Internet.
interviewing for my blog.
Oh, thank you.
For TTNHD. Good night.